how to make money on people per hour as an Instagram marketing expert. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that are visiting the platform daily. And as you can see in here, access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So there is a lot of businesses worldwide that trust this platform and trust the freelancers listed in this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to the platform searching for an Instagram marketing expert, I will just enter the skill I'm searching for in here and click on the search. Then I will be able to see all of the freelancers that can do this skill. As you can see, grow up social media marketing, research 30 Instagram hashtags for organic growth, organic Instagram promotion through proven and safe methods. And as you can see in here, the amount of money that they're getting paid varies, their hourly rate varies from one another. This one gets paid $50 per hour, this one 20, 15, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 100. So the hourly rate varies from a freelancer to another, but they're all can get chosen even though they have higher prices or low prices. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile also like those people to showcase your skills as well in order to make money just like them. So let's go back to the main page and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you'll proceed to creating your account and make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email and my password. And here click on login. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture. Then you proceed to enter in your job title. And as you can see, you have an example in here, award-winning web developer. Or you can just go with Instagram marketing expert. If you've got an award, you can go with award-winning Instagram marketing expert. If not, you can just leave it like this. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start first with Instagram. You have Instagram marketing, Instagram advertisement, Instagram management, Insta. We have Instagram application programming interface, installer development, install shield. So that's all about Instagram. So I guess that's all about Instagram. So that's enough for the skills. Then you proceed to the about you section. So guys, in this section, you're going to describe yourself to buyers. And in this section, you're going to convince buyers to buy or to hire you for the job or the gig. So here, in order to make a decent description for our profile, I like to check the other freelancers profiles first, check their descriptions. You might get inspiration from their description, see what are they doing differently, what are they doing wrong than the others, and then you'll get your inspiration to make a decent description for your profile. So let's go to the search, click on the search here, click on search freelancers, and drop the skill you're searching for, Instagram marketing expert. Click on search, and here go with all offers. And you'll be able to see all of the freelancers that are offering the same skill like the one we're searching for. So let's check some profiles in here. Manage 2 social media platforms and rocket your website SEO. And she's getting paid $555 per hour. Run all your social media accounts for 5 days, $30. We need Instagram experts, organic Instagram promotion through proven and safe methods, $20 per hour. Grow up social media marketing, $15. Let's check this one's profile, and he's got 100 sales, as you can see, and he's ranked in top 10% of people per hour. So let's read more about his description. This is a good description. It's brief and short. You will not get bored by reading it. Hi there, this is Delaware, a professional digital marketer and SEO expert. I offer social media marketing, link building, guest posting, and a total SEO package, 1 page plus off page. I'm passionate about marketing and would love to work on any of your projects. I always try to give my maximum effort to client satisfaction. Feel free to contact me to discuss how I can help you. So this is a great description. Let's check someone else's description to get as many ideas as we can. For example, this one's description, and they've got a lot of sales, and I think this is an agency. So guys, this is not an example of a good description. Make sure to not make your description very long like this. It's very boring to read something like this. So guys, when you're ready to change your description or your profile as a whole, go to this button in your top right, click on the profile button, click on the edit button, and then you'll be able to change everything about your profile in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.